In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Steam games in windowed or full screen. Whether you want an easy way to multitask or a fully immersive view, you can control this right from Steam without digging through in-game menus. We'll use each game's launch option's simple text commands that Steam passes to the game when it starts. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find the game you want to adjust, right-click it, and choose Properties. In the window that opens, stay on the General tab, then look for the field labeled Launch Options. This is where we'll type the commands that set your display mode. These options only affect the selected game, and you can change or remove them anytime. To start the game in a window, type Windowed in the Launch Options box. You can also use SW, which is a shorthand some titles recognize. Close the Properties window to save, then launch the game as you normally would. It should open in a resizable window on your desktop, which is great if you're monitoring chat, browsing the web, or keeping an eye on other apps while you play. Depending on the title, you might notice slight changes in performance or how the mouse behaves when you click outside the window. That's normal for windowed mode. If you prefer full screen, open Properties again and enter full screen in the same Launch Options box. For the sharpest image without stretching, include your monitor's native resolution by adding W followed by the width and H followed by the height. For example, W1920H1080. Replace those numbers with your display's actual resolution so the game renders at the correct size. Close the window to save and start the game. You should see it take over the entire screen with minimal borders or distractions and, in many cases, slightly better performance than windowed mode. If you ever want to switch modes, just return to the Launch Options field and change the command. Leave the field blank to go back to the game's default behavior. Keep in mind that some games may prioritize their own video settings, so the exact result can vary, but these flags are widely supported and quick to try. These settings are per game, so you can keep one title windowed for multitasking and another in full screen for maximum focus. And because Steam saves your choice as soon as you close the Properties window, there's nothing extra to apply. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.